exercise. He's fat.
Yeah, he needs to exercise, yes. Come on, Greenie.
Oh, I'm walking too fast for Greenie. Greenie, where are you going? What?
No, keep walking and then he'll follow you, Trini. That's what he do.
We're not babying you, Greenie. Greenie. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
His little step is so cute. Look at that.
Let's go, Greenie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Are you tired, baby? Huh? Is Greenie tired?
You want me to carry you by the frisbee?